Disappear and stay? What does this mean?
It's a new form of population control. People can vote for you to disappear or stay. Why do you look worried?
Well, Dad, because I haven't exactly been nice to people. Everyone's gonna vote for me to disappear.
Oh, honey, it's going to be okay. Just try to apologize. Looks like it's finally payback time for you making fun of me all these years.
I understand. I'm sorry.
Hey, Giselle, remember that time you cut my ponytail off?
Jessica, that was in middle school. Can't we just forget about that?
Actually, we can't. You never even said you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Giselle,
Jake, hi.
remember that time you cheated on me?
Look, I told you I was sorry. If I could take it back, I would.
Well, you can't, so... Hey, Giselle?
Look, just vote for me to disappear already.
I never really liked you, but... Hey, Giselle?
Look, just vote for me to disappear already.
I never really liked you, but...
You voted for me to stay. Why?
You're always mean to me, but I don't think anyone deserves to disappear.
Thank you. I promise I'll try to change.
Guys, look at him. He's such a loser.
Hey, leave him alone.
Look who's talking. You're a big bully yourself.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to change.
You could never change. Shit, I forgot my pen.
Hey, you could borrow mine.
Wait, really? Thank you.
You're welcome. Mom, I'm home.
Do you have your report card?
Yeah, it's right here.
Look at this. You got all D's. You're such a disappointment.
You don't mean that.
Oh, yes, I do. I think it'll be better for you to just disappear.
Mom, please don't.
You don't really leave me much of a choice.
Mom, I'm home.
Do you have your report card?
Yeah, it's right here.
Look at this. You got all D's. You're such a disappointment.
You don't mean that.
Oh, yes, I do. And I think it'll be better if you just disappear.
Mom, no, please don't.
You don't really leave me much of a choice. What's going on here?
Dad, Mom voted for me to disappear.
Is this true? Yes, she's just a waste of space. You know what? Giselle, just come with me.
Dad, what's going on?
It's time I tell you the truth. She's not your real mom.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm sorry. I never knew she would treat you like this.
You lied to me my whole life. I only need one more vote to disappear, so I'm gonna go find someone to give me that. Hey, I know you hate me. Can you please just vote for me to disappear?
Why would you want that?
Look, just do it.
Okay.
Hey, I know you hate me. Can you please just vote for me to disappear?
Why would you want that?
Look, just do it.
Okay.
No, I said vote for me to disappear, not stay.
But I did vote for you to disappear.
What?
You must be the one.
The one? What do you mean the one?
I can't tell you here. Come with me.
Can we stop running and you just tell me what's going on?
There's a rumor that there's a person that's unable to disappear no matter how many votes they get. And I think it's you.
Me? Why would it be me?
Because when I voted for you to disappear, it went to stay. People are gonna come looking for you. You guys, there they are. They found us. We have to go. Okay, I think we're safe here.
What are we gonna do?
I haven't been completely honest with you. There isn't only one person unable to disappear. There's two, and I'm one of them.
So you're one too?
Yes, and here's what we need to do.
You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know.
But you didn't have to cut me off. Make out like it never happened, and now we were. What the? Who ate my Oreos? Brother?
What?
I just got them this morning.
I was hungry.
You're hungry? Here's a knuckle sandwich. Boy, what did he do with my baby? Mom, you're too weak for me now. Oh, really?
Fine. I'll do it myself.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. Ah!
Get him, get him, get him.
Hey, what'd I tell you about playing my game? Don't you do it.
Mom!
What the hell's going on here?
Brother isn't letting me play.
What'd I tell you about sharing? Oh, that didn't hurt? Nope, I'm too grown for a whooping. You too grown? Okay. What are you doing?
Uh-oh.
He said he's too grown. Who'd you call? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll share.
It's too late. Finish him.
Bro, you suck. Teabag him. Teabag him. You suck. Enough of that language. There will be no teabagging in my house. Sorry.
Get shit on! Get shit on! Get shit on! Your ass! Shut the fuck up! 1v1 me, you pussy! Pussy! Fucking
Teacher!
What's wrong?
I think the world is ending.
Is this one of your silly pranks?
No, I'm being for real. The zombies are already here.
Let them come.
You're not scared?
No, because we have them.
Let's do this.
Oh, no!
My time to shine.
Oh, great heavens!
How many lives did I get?
You only got one.
Just one? What am I supposed to do with only one life?
Hey, I'm going skydiving later. Wanna come? Sure. Hey, Brianna, are you coming? She can't. She only has one life. She can't take any risks. I used one of my lives yesterday. It was so crazy. I jumped from a 10-story building.
Wow. Hey, Brianna, how did you use your lives?
I haven't. I've only ever had one life.
So, I was thinking of going bungee jumping later. Who's coming?
I am.
But Brianna, you only have one life.
I know, but I'm tired of not taking risks because I only have one life. Will we attach a rope? It's safe, right? It's pretty high.
Hey, guys, I was thinking maybe we jump without the rope.
No, I can't.
You first. Dude, you killed her. She only had one life.
How am I still alive? How am I still alive?
I can't believe you killed her. I didn't know. Her lives are written on her head.
Guys, chill. I'm still alive. I'm literally right here.
It's almost like she's still here.
I am! Mom, you are not going to believe this. The craziest thing just happened.
Emily, have you heard from your sister? She's not answering any of my calls. No.
Mom, I'm right here. Mom? Mom! Oh no. I must be dead. I'm a ghost! I guess I'm just going to have to live the rest of my life as a ghost. Wait a minute. Maybe I can do cool ghost things like walk through walls or people. I'm gonna try it.
Oh! Watch where you're going.
I am so sorry.
Weirdo.
Wait, you can see me? Don't go get!
7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs.
Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go.
Stop. In the name of love.
What? What do you mean?
I should have bought you flowers.
I can buy myself flowers.
And held your hand.
I can hold my own hand.
I can't help falling in love.
I might kill my ex. Not the best idea.
Ow! What did you do that for? No, stop! In the name...
I just killed my ex. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea.
Ow! What did you do that for? No, stop! In the name...
I just killed my ex. I just killed my ex. Not the best idea.
It's me. Hi. I'm the problem, it's me.
Killed his girlfriend next. How'd I get here?
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Mama just killed the man.
Oh no. Oh no. Run away. Alright everyone, choose carefully between the blue or the red pill.
Mine has a third option. It says green.
That's so strange.
I'm gonna choose it. It could be something amazing.
Brianna, look, I can fly.
Whoa!
What special ability did you get?
I don't know. Nothing's happened yet. I probably don't even have ability. I knew I shouldn't have chose that green one.
Don't look now. Your crush Kevin is coming this way.
Hi, Kevin. Kevin!
Oh no. He's not breathing.
Emily, what is going on? Emily!
What happened here? I'll go get the nurse.
Don't you understand, Brittany? They're gone. Brittany! What is going on? Wait a minute. It's me. I did this. Every time I said their name, they stopped breathing.
What happened here?
I don't know. Everybody just all of a sudden collapsed.
Quickly, come with me. We need to figure out what's going on. Hello, I'm Officer Brad.
Hello, officer.
I'd like to make this a comfortable environment. Don't worry, you can address me by my name.
No.
Don't be disrespectful. Say my name. It's rude not to do what a police officer says. Say it.
Brad?
I can't believe what happened to Officer Brad. He dropped, just like the others.
I know, it's crazy.
I found something strange on the security footage. Will you come have a look at it with me?
Yeah, of course.
There must be some kind of pattern. It looks like everybody dropped right after you said their name.
Have you shown anybody else this footage?
No, I just discovered it. You deleted everything.
That's all I need. Goodbye, Susan.
The teacher, she fell to the floor.
I know, I don't know what happened.
She's not breathing. You did something. You said goodbye and then she dropped. How did you know she would do that?
You talk too much, Gary.
Attention everyone. In order to keep all of our students safe, school will be canceled until this situation is resolved. Thank you for your patience. Yay, no school! I hope this case never gets resolved. It's so weird what happened. They just stopped breathing for literally no reason. Look, it's her. She was there for the whole thing. She saw everything that happened.
Yeah, and it was absolutely traumatizing. I'll need at least a week to recover.
There's no way. You're definitely involved in this somehow. Yeah, she's right. How come you're the only one who's safe?
You guys really need to know when to stop talking. Cynthia.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Jennifer.
What? I only have 1 day left?
Look who's 18 now. How much time did you get?
1 day.
Here, I got 99 years. I'll give you some of my time.
Thanks, but it doesn't really matter. My time's gonna run out sooner or later anyways.
Hey, let's go to that coffee shop you love so much. It will cheer you up for sure.
Good idea.
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use the bathroom. Why do you look so sad?
Oh, you know, it's nothing. It's just that my time left is only 1 week, so...
I wish I only had a week left. I got infinite time. I've already lived hundreds of years.
Infinite time? That's not even possible. Where did she go?
What did I miss?
A strange lady just approached me telling me she has infinite time and that she wishes she only had a week left.
Infinite time is impossible.
No way. She gave me her infinite time. I have to find her.
Wait.
Where did she go? She couldn't have gone that far.
Brianna, don't you understand? She gave you all her time, meaning she's gone. For good.
I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna give you at least a couple hundred years, you know, so I'm not so lonely, living for all eternity.
Error.
That's weird.
Error.
It won't let me. Either I give you my infinite years or nothing. I'm gonna be all alone. Why are you crying? Are you okay?
My time left is only 2 days.
It's going to be okay. You're not going anywhere.
No, you don't understand. It's over for me. I've already been lent so much time. What are you doing?
Bye.
Share the same hair or share the same clothes as my soulmate? I didn't spend 2 years growing this hair out for it to get ruined. We'll share clothes. Let's hope this prince soulmate of mine has some style.
Soulmate's clothes on.
A prince would never wear this? Is my soulmate some sort of a lumberjack? Or worse, what if he's a peasant? What are you wearing? I hate to inform you of this, Mother, but these are my soulmate's clothes. Is your soulmate a peasant? Possibly. Absolutely not. You are forbidden to meet this boy. Yes, Mother. I need to go out. I can't be seen in this. Why isn't it coming off?
You may not remove his outfit.
Great. Mother said never to go anywhere without my crown, but today, I can't let anyone know I'm a princess. I really hope I don't get recognized.
Oh, shit, I'm so sorry. I swear, I didn't mean to.
You have the same outfit as...
Me? You're wearing my same clothes, so we must be...
Someone could hear you. I can't have people knowing my soulmate is... a peasant.
Who do you think you are?
Look at me.
Yeah, I'm looking at you.
Really look at me.
Okay. Ow!
I am the princess, you idiot.
Wait, you are?
Yes, and I have a ball to go to tonight, and I am stuck in your dumb clothes. I need you to do me a favor. Okay, I'm back, and I need you to wear this.
You want me to wear a dress? That's not happening.
But you have to. I can only wear what you wear. Please.
It's not my fault you picked... Hey, come on, don't cry. Alright, fine, princess. I'll do it.
Okay, thank you.
Soulmates clothes changing.
Peasant, it worked.
My name is Nick, and I can't zip this up.
Has anyone seen my daughter?
My mom's coming.
My mom's coming. Go hide in that alleyway.
Ugh.
Hello, Mother.
I've been looking for you. How are you wearing that dress?
What are you talking about?
You can only wear what your soulmate wears? Did you disobey me and speak to him?
Mother, I would never directly disobey you. The system just had a glitch, and now it looks like I don't have to wear my soulmate's clothes anymore.
Okay, then you better be at the ball tonight, and stand up straight.
Of course, Mother.
She seems nice.
Yeah, she's something.
Listen, princess, I can barely breathe in this dress.
I just need 30 minutes to make an appearance, then I'll tell my mom that I feel sick, and I'll be out of there.
There's a lot of princes at the ball.
I can see that.
Since you're forbidden to talk to your soulmate, why don't you talk to one of them, honey?
Just because you and Dad didn't work out doesn't mean that me and my soulmate won't.
Excuse me? Go to your room.
Fine. Perfect timing, actually.
What was that?
Nothing. I have to get back to him before he starts ripping this.
Soulmates clothes come.
I have to get back to him before he starts ripping this.
Soulmates clothes coming off.
Dress. Psst, Nick, you can take this off now, and quickly, because there is a giant hole in the back.
Okay, but you realize it's night now.
Yeah, and?
And I like to sleep shirtless.
Okay, well, you can't do that, because that means I would have to sleep without a shirt.
Well, I made a sacrifice for you today, so maybe... Oh!
You know what? Just for that comment, you are going to be wearing this robe tonight.
Are you serious?
Yeah, go change.
Hey! The things I do for you.
Soulmate changing clothes.
Much better.
How long am I gonna have to keep wearing your clothes?
I don't know. As soon as this soulmate thing wears off, I guess.
Well, then there's something about me you need to know, princess. There's something about me you need to know.
Wait, before you tell me, I just want to say I really appreciate you wearing my clothes for me, and I don't care if you're a commoner. I want to be with you.
Princess, the queen has been looking for you.
I was just...
Enough! You're coming with us.
Good morning.
Mother, about last night.
Don't worry about it, honey. I've taken care of everything. You no longer need to wear your soulmate's clothes. Look.
What did you do?
Well, since the king is in charge of the system, I made a deal with him for you to marry his son.
Well, that's ridiculous, and I'm not agreeing to that.
Honey, the deal has already been made. The prince is on his way.
What?
It had to be done. No. Yes, you certainly won't be marrying your peasant soulmate. I present to you your fiancé. Hello, princess.
But I...
Thought that I was a peasant? I only dress like that because I don't like to get recognized.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. I wanted to tell you, but I'm glad to see that you love me for me. And I love you.
How's the food?
It's great, honey.
Son, what did I tell you about no electronics on the dinner table?
Okay.
If I see it again, I'm gonna take your game and your phone.
Okay, no electronics on the dinner table.
2 days later.
How's the food?
Great like always, honey.
It's good.
Yo, Dad, you good?
What's wrong with him?
When he sat on the table, I turned off his life support because you said no electronics on the table.
Oh, great heavens!
Answer the question.
Why me? I didn't even raise my
Well,
hand.
answer the question.
Like, why can't you pick him to answer?
Because he's always quiet and doesn't disturb the class like you do.
I'll be quiet if you ask him instead.
Fine. What comes after C?
4.
What comes after R?
PG.
What comes after A?
K-47.
What comes after X?
Explosion.
Oh, great heavens!
Everyone run! Hi, Keisha. You want to be friends? No, you're not pretty enough. Period. Oh, no, she didn't.
The next day.
This song is about someone that I know. Keisha.
Why you in my face? Girl, your breath stink. Go to the bathroom to brush your teeth, get some toothpaste. You dusty, you musty, you crusty, and you rusty. Girl, go ahead. Go change your shoes. What are those?
Emotional damage. Okay, class, we're gonna play a game where you remove the third letter of your name. This sounds lit. Hold up.
Hey, Mom, can we change my name today?
Yes, I like this game. Can we not play this game? Everybody get on the ground now. Excuse me, sir, you're interrupting my class. I'm here to see the fear in y'all's eyes. Well, I'm sorry, you came to the wrong class. What? Why aren't y'all scared? Well, if you must know, it's because of them.
My name's Justin, and I'm cracked at Fortnite, my guy.
Oh, great heavens!
Mommy!
Bro, you suck. Teabag him, teabag him. You suck. Enough of that language. There will be no teabagging in my house. Sorry.
Get shit on! Get shit on! Get shit on! Your ass! Shut the fuck up! 1v1 you pussy! Pussy! Fucking... Disappear and stay? What does this mean?
It's a new form of population control. People can vote for you to disappear or stay. Why do you look worried?
Well, Dad, because I haven't exactly been nice to people. Everyone's gonna vote for me to disappear.
Oh, honey, it's going to be okay. Just try to apologize. Looks like it's finally payback time for you making fun of me all these years.
I understand. I'm sorry.
Hey, Giselle, remember that time you cut my ponytail off?
Jessica, that was in middle school. Can't we just forget about that?
Actually, we can't. You never even said you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Giselle?
Jake, hi.
Remember that time you cheated on me?
Look, I told you I was sorry. If I could take it back, I would.
Well, you can't, so... Hey, Giselle?
Look, just vote for me to disappear already.
I never really liked you, but... Hey, Giselle?
Look, just vote for me to disappear already.
I never really liked you, but...
You voted for me to stay. Why?
You're always mean to me, but I don't think anyone deserves to disappear.
Thank you. I promise I'll try to change.
Guys, look at him. He's such a loser.
Hey, leave him alone.
Look who's talking. You're a big bully yourself.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to change.
You could never change. Shit, I forgot my pen.
Hey, you could borrow mine.
Wait, really? Thank you.
You're welcome. Mom, I'm home.
Do you have your report card?
Yeah, it's right here.
Look at this. You got all D's. You're such a disappointment.
You don't mean that.
Oh, yes, I do. I think it'll be better for you to just disappear.
Mom, please don't.
You don't really leave me much of a choice.
Mom, I'm home.
Do you have your report card?
Yeah, it's right here.
Look at this. You got all D's. You're such a disappointment.
You don't mean that.
Oh, yes, I do. And I think it'll be better if you just disappear.
Mom, no, please don't.
You don't really leave me much of a choice. What's going on here?
Dad, Mom voted for me to disappear.
Is this true? Yes, she's just a waste of space. You know what, Giselle, just come with me.
Dad, what's going on?
It's time I tell you the truth. She's not your real mom.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm sorry. I never knew she would treat you like this.
You lied to me my whole life. I only need one more vote to disappear, so I'm gonna go find someone to give me that. Hey, I know you hate me. Can you please just vote for me to disappear?
Why would you want that?
Look, just do it.
Okay.
Hey, I know you hate me. Can you please just vote for me to disappear?
Why would you want that?
Look, just do it.
Okay.
No, I said vote for me to disappear, not stay.
But I did vote for you to disappear.
What?
You must be the one.
The one? What do you mean the one?
I can't tell you here. Come with me.
Can we stop running and you just tell me what's going on?
There's a rumor that there's a person that's unable to disappear no matter how many votes they get. And I think it's you.
Me? Why would it be me?
Because when I voted for you to disappear, it went to stay. People are gonna come looking for you. You guys, there they are. They found us. We have to go. Okay, I think we're safe here.
What are we gonna do?
I haven't been completely honest with you. There isn't only one person unable to disappear. There's two, and I'm one of them.
So you're one too?
Yes, and here's what we need to do.
You should really be more careful.
No, wait, I think you might be my soulmate. He drives a Ferrari with no license plates? Maybe he's not as innocent as I thought.
Natalia, are you okay? What's wrong?
No, nothing. I'm good.
Really? You're gonna lie to me? Okay, guess I'll leave you alone.
Fine, but you have to swear not to tell the boss.
So your soulmate saved your life, and now you've gone soft and don't want to kill him.
That's true, except for the going soft part.
Well, now the boss is going to kill you.
I know, this is why we can't tell him. You promised, remember?
I know. I'm not the one that has a debriefing with him tonight, though.
You eliminated him?
Yes, sir, I did.
That's a good girl. Did anyone see you?
No, no one saw me.
Very good. Very good.
Actually, I should be going now, so...
Get back here. It's time to teach you a lesson about lying. It's time to teach you a lesson about lying, girl.
Oh no, Natalia. Can I stay at your place tonight? I don't think I can make it back home. I can't believe he didn't kill you.
Yeah, well, right now I'm kind of wishing that he did. He said I have one more chance to finish the job. I don't even know when he knew I was lying.
Actually, I think I do.
Because you told him?
That is for thinking I would ever do that. Come on.
Okay, then how did he know?
I think your soulmate is the boss's son.
What? You're sure you saw him in the boss's driveway?
Yep, I took a picture of his car. This is him, right?
Yeah, damn it, that's him. I don't understand this. If he's his son, then why does he want me to kill him?
I don't think they get along very well.
Well, the boss gave me 24 hours to get rid of him, and if I don't, I'm dead.
You ready?
Yeah.
I already killed my soulmate. Don't worry, it's not that bad. Natalia, do you see any sign of him? No, not yet. Wait, scratch that, I think I see him. But he's too far. I need to get closer.
Freeze.
Hey, easy now. My dad put you up to this, didn't he?
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't have a choice.
Natalia, take the shot. You know, you have really pretty eyes.
Flattery isn't gonna work on me.
Well, if you're gonna kill me, then do it. But you're wrong about not having a choice.
What are you talking about?
Listen, I'm willing to help you eliminate my father. This is your call. Do you trust this guy or not?
You know what? Yeah, I do.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now where's the body?
It's in the trunk.
Show it to me. I want to see it.
There you go. See for yourself.
There's nothing here.
Surprise. Hey, Dad.
I can't believe you were gonna have me kill your own son.
This is a setup? Oh, Natalia. And to think you were my favorite. Have you forgotten about the chips in the back of your heads?
So what? They're just trackers.
No, Gretchen. They're a little more than that. If I die, so do you too.
Fine. Then so be it. Because a life working for you isn't a life worth living.
Natalia, wait.
I have to.
He's bluffing.
I'm not. So be a good girl and put that.
Told you he was bluffing. You two scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm just happy to be free. So, are we gonna address the elephant in the room?
Are you referring to my kill count?
Oh, that's right. He knows your number. Okay, come on, tell me.
Look, I don't want to say it, okay?
Listen, I killed my soulmate for no reason. The only joy I will get is knowing your kill count. You really want to deprive me of that joy?
Fine, it's 269.
I couldn't hear you. Oh, come on, just say it.
It's 269, okay?
Oh no, you need to change that number right now. Go kill a rat or something.
I'm not gonna go kill a rat. That's not even how the body count works.
Excuse me. I'm looking for a girl. You, come with me.
No thanks.
I wasn't asking, sweetheart.
Hey. Okay, not gonna lie, that was kind of hot. I got you, babe. There's more of them coming. Looks like I'm changing that number. It's done. This guy better be paying me double. 4? I can handle that.
So, did you get your soulmate's number yet?
Yeah, I did. It's 4. How about yours?
Oh wow, mine's 60.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I mean, my number's more than that.
I got this guy. You take that one.
Copy that. Nice one.
What the hell? Guess what?
What?
My soulmate's number just got bumped up to 7.
So?
So, that means that he was having, you know, a threesome?
It's not that kind of body count.
It's not? Then what does the number represent?
It's our soulmate's kill count.
So that means that he could see every time I...
Yep.
Oh, this is not good.
You're overreacting.
Do you know what my kill count is?
No, because you won't tell me.
Exactly, because it's really bad.
Oh, please. Is it more than mine?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's not like this guy is a saint.
I know, but 7 compared to my number is like nothing.
Hang on. It's the boss.
So, what do you say?
He wants us to take out our soulmates.
Like, take them out on a date? Or like, eliminate them?
Obviously the second one. You know we can't have attachments.
Well, I'm not gonna do that, are you?
Natalia, you know what our boss will do if we don't.
I really don't want to kill him.
Oh, thank God.
Not you, you idiot.
Natalia, we don't have a choice.
Hey, can you hear me? I'm getting a lot of static on my...
Let me see your hands. This is for killing all my men.
Grandma, what is that above my head?
Those are all your childhood memories, dear, and it looks like you've already made quite a lot of them.
Well, that's good, because I want to remember all the fun things I did with you.
Oh, Annalise, you are so sweet. There is a fire in the castle. We need to get you both out now.
Grandma, I'm scared. I don't want to lose you like I lost my parents.
Don't worry, dear. We'll be all right. My queen, watch out! The ceiling is collapsing. No! You left your clothes on the floor.
Sorry, I just...
They pay me to foster you, not to be your maid. Didn't anyone ever teach you to clean up after yourself?
Well, you know, even if someone did, I really wouldn't have remembered because I lost all my childhood memories.
Yeah, enough with your sob story. Just clean up.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know why there's a bunch of flowers everywhere?
Oh, yeah, those are for the princess. Everyone leaves those for her. Today marks the 5th year of her passing. It's awful what happened to her. Hey, are you okay?
I think I just had a memory of me being a princess. Sorry, I know that sounds crazy.
A princess? Wait, did something happen to your memories?
Yeah, actually, when I was younger, some sort of accident happened to me. I don't remember what, but the doctor told me that I have amnesia.
Some people still think the princess is still alive.
They do?
Yeah, and actually, I'm one of those people. You know, I could take you to the queen if you really think you're the princess.
No, that's okay. I really should be going.
At least take my number. If any more of your memories come back, call me.
I can't believe that guy thought that I was a princess.
My queen, watch out! The ceiling is collapsing! No!
Grandma, she left me.
My head.
Hey, I got your voicemail. You got another memory?
I think that I am the princess, and I need your help to take me back to the queen. I think that I am the princess, and I need your help to take me back to the queen.
The thing is, they won't just let anyone into the castle. We have to convince them that you're royalty.
But how would I do that?
I have an idea. Come on, we're going shopping.
Are you sure this outfit isn't too much?
No, I think it's perfect. It shows the queen that you know how to dress like a princess.
If you say so.
Wait here. The queen will see you in just a moment. Hey, it's gonna be alright. She'll remember you.
Grandma, I thought I never...
See me again. I've heard it all before. Tell me something that only my Annalise would know.
Well, I can't exactly do that because a lot of my memories got lost, but I remember you.
Stop. My heart can't take this anymore. She's just another girl pretending to be my granddaughter. Take her away.
No, please. I came all this way to see you. I'm sure I can remember something.
Let's go.
A carousel music box. It was blue. You gave it to me.
Wait. A carousel music box. It was blue. You gave it to me. Wait. Let her go. I need to get something to show her. This was one of the few things that survived the fire. I had it restored. I bought it as a gift for my granddaughter. You couldn't have known about that unless... It's me, Grandma. Oh, Annalise, it is you. I recognize your eyes. I'm so sorry. I begged the gods to go look for you. It's okay. How are you alive? What happened? I can barely remember. Sweetheart, can you remember anything about what happened to you? What your name is? What your parents' names are? I don't remember anything. We have the code red. So you survived the fire and woke up in a hospital with amnesia. I am so sorry, but what's important is we're together now. Grandma, I actually wouldn't have been able to find you if it wasn't for him. Oh, really? What is your name? My name is Eric, Your Majesty. I can't thank you enough, Eric. Why, aren't you a handsome young man? Thanks. It is my honor to restore my granddaughter's title of Princess Annalise. Long live the princess.
Mommy, I got 1,000 years! Shh! Don't say that so loud. Come on, we're leaving.
But why?
No one can ever know how many years you have. Put it to private immediately. Hey girl, why do you always keep your years on private?
I just don't see the need to share it, that's all.
He probably has no years left, that's why. Jake, don't be mean.
Hey Mom, my years are still going up. It's almost at 3,000. Can you tell me why it's such a bad thing?
Don't ever mention this to me again. Now go to your room. Everyone reveal your years immediately.
Who are these guys?
The legend has it that the girl who receives over thousands of years in her lifetime is the long-lost princess. Everyone reveal your years. We must find the princess. They already are. Brianna's the only one who keeps her years on private. Reveal it now. 3,000 years. Come with us. I'll be right back. Your driver should be here shortly. What are you doing here? Why didn't you tell me people were coming to the school today?
I didn't know.
Let's go. We're going home.
But Mom, I'm the princess.
Come on. You are never going to leave your room ever again.
Mom, no, don't leave me here. Mom!
Hello there, princess.
Are you a prince?
I believe this is yours.
A crown.
It looks stunning on you. Here, take my hand. Let's get out of here. Oh, you're the princess. Oh, we must get rid of those commoner clothes immediately. Follow me.
Wow, this gown is gorgeous.
Princess, your years, they're at infinite.
But how is that possible?
When the princess meets her soulmate, she gets infinite years.
You must be my soulmate then.
No, that's not possible. You have infinite years and he doesn't. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
Who else did I meet?
Princess, it must be some kind of mistake. I know you're my soulmate. Will you marry me?
Of course I'll marry you. You did save me after all. Prince? Prince, where are you? I need your help picking an outfit. I'm really nervous about meeting my real mother and father.
Wait, what if the princess sees us? Don't worry about her. She's clueless. I have her wrapped around my finger. Princess, are you okay?
Who are you?
After all this time, you still don't know me?
No. Wait.
Everyone, reveal your years. We must find the princess. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
I do remember you.
I have to show you something.
Infinite years. So you're my soulmate, and not a prince? A servant boy?
I'm sorry to disappoint you.
I can't marry you. I must marry a prince and become queen.
Are you ready to be married, princess?
Don't speak to me. This is a transaction, not love.
You will now be pronounced king and queen once your new crowns are worn. Wait! I object!
How many is it gonna be? 6? That's not so bad. What's the first task? Well, this is where I die. Hey Mom.
Hey sweetie, does this dress look okay?
No, actually it makes you look fat.
What? How dare you?
A J? Must be a fuckboy. No way. I'd rather die. Hey Mr. Fitz, can I talk to you for a second?
Of course, Giselle, what's wrong?
Well, since you have a free period, I was wondering...
Do you understand all the materials?
Yeah. Thank you. An A. I did all of this for a JA. Whatever, just give me the next task. An A. I did all of this for a JA. Whatever, just give me the next task. Steal something from a store. That shouldn't be too hard.
Hey, miss, can I help you?
Oh, no thank you, I'm just looking.
Be sure to call me if you need anything.
Will do. Might as well steal something cute. Well, that was easy.
Hold it right there. You're under arrest for thievery. Did you or did you not steal that shirt?
Yes, I did, but it was for a task.
End of story. Guilty.
Wait. Damn it. A Y. J. What's the next task? You have got to be kidding me.
I've got demons, you've got scars. All the bumps and bruises take us to the place we are. We've been through heaven, and then we fell. And you might think it's over, but the story's ours to tell. Just know that I will be with you. Just keep looking for the moon, and I'll be here while you're searching for your life out in the dark. Looking for the moon, you'll see it clear, 'cause it shines the same wherever you are. Let it guide you, don't look behind you. If you stay within the light, I'll always find you. Looking for the moon, and I've got demons, you've got scars. All the bumps and bruises take us to the place we are. We've been through heaven, and then we fell. And you might think it's over, but the story's ours to tell. Just know that I will be with you. Just keep looking for the moon, and I'll be here while you're searching for your life out in the dark. Looking for the moon, you'll see it clear, 'cause it shines the same wherever you are. Let it guide you, don't look behind you. If you stay within the light, I'll always find you. Looking for the moon, and
But I ate Taco Bell last night.
Okay, shh, Dad's right there.
I don't care, I gotta poo.
How's the food? It's great, honey. Son, what did I tell you about no electronics on the dinner table?
Okay.
If I see it again, I'm gonna take your game and your phone.
Okay, no electronics on the dinner table.
2 days later. How's the food? Great like always, honey.
It's good.
Yo, Dad, you good? What's wrong with him?
When he sat on the table, I turned off his life support because you said no electronics on the table.
Oh, great heavens!
Here you go.
Thanks. Later that night. You're getting robbed. No one say a word or else.
Mommy, Daddy, what's going on?
Don't worry, sweetie. Everything's gonna be fine. Please don't hurt them. Take me. I said be quiet. No, stop it. Shut up.
Mommy, Daddy.
Does this family not know how to shut up?
You're a bully.
Any last words, kid?
Look behind you.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, put your phone away.
I'm already done with the test.
Let me see. Yeah, you definitely failed this test.
Whatever.
Just for talking back, you have detention.
Oh, why do you always pick on me?
Let me tell you something. You will never make it in life. 10 years later.
I am the only one.
Oh my goodness, you played so good on that Netflix show. Can I have a picture with you? No. What? Why? Remember, I'm Mr. You will never make it in life.
Yeah, drinking dope, turn me to a... Oh, great heavens!
Answer the question.
Why me? I didn't even raise my
So
hand.
answer the question.
Why can't you pick him to answer?
Because he's always quiet and doesn't disturb the class like you do.
I'll be quiet if you ask him instead.
Fine. What comes after C?
4.
What comes after R?
PG.
What comes after A?
K-47.
What comes after X?
Explosion.
Oh, great heavens! Everyone run!
So, how many do you have?
1.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sweetie. I'm sure it'll be better next year. Hey girl, any luck this year? It's okay. I'll be here for you. Come on, let's get to class. Oh, look, it's the loser that never talks. Any words this year? I'll take that as a no. Oh, shut up, Olivia. Excuse me? Oh, look, the mute is all alone. No one to stand up for her this time. What's that? Did you want to say something? I thought so. Oh, honey, you're home. Did you have a good day at school? Do you want to talk about it? Oh, no, sorry, sweetie. I didn't mean...
I can finally speak.
Morning, honey.
Good morning, Mom.
You're talking.
I'll tell you all about it later. I'm going to school. Guess what?
Wait, how are you talking?
The system offered me to steal Olivia's words.
Giselle, that's a criminal offense.
Wait, what?
Yeah, they can lock you up for it.
I had no idea. I'm gonna get into so much trouble. How does she even have infinite words? Hey, is it possible for somebody to have infinite words?
Infinite words? No way.
Well, Olivia did. Now I have them.
Giselle, please report to the principal's office immediately.
They know.
Giselle, please report to the principal's office immediately.
They know.
Just relax, you don't know that. Go in there and act like you know nothing.
I'll try.
You can do this.
Did you see me, Mr. Fitz?
Yes, hi. I presume you know about Olivia's words?
Yeah, I may have heard about it.
Do you have any idea who might have stolen them?
No, I have no idea.
If you're lying to me, you're going to be in big trouble.
I promise I don't know anything.
Okay then, be sure to let me know if you do.
I will. What am I going to do though? I'm going to find out I'm lying and...
Giselle?
Olivia?
I should have known it was you.
No, this is all a big misunderstanding.
Save it. You're going to be locked up for a long time.
Wait. If I have your words, how are you talking?
That doesn't concern you now, does it? The only important thing here is I found out who stole them.
No, please, I can explain.
Giselle, Olivia, come with me. Giselle, Olivia, come with me.
I'm sorry, but who are you?
I'm here regarding Olivia's words. We're going to sort this out.
Okay. Where are we?
Leave the questions to me. Did you or did you not steal Olivia's words?
Well, yes I did, but it's not my fault.
Stop lying. She did steal them.
You better start telling the truth. How did you take them?
The system offered me to steal them.
That's impossible.
I promise you I'm telling the truth.
How many words did you steal?
It says she had infinite.
Well, that's impossible. Unless she's been stealing yours.
Wait. So she's been stealing my words all along?
Of course I have. And I would have gotten away with it too, if it wasn't for you.
I can't believe this.
I'm so sorry about the confusion, miss.
It's okay. At least she's locked up now.
We have taken away all of her words and given them back to you.
Thank you.
You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know.
But you didn't have to cut me off. Make out like it never happened, but now we were.
What the? Who ate my Oreos? Brother?
What?
I just got them this morning.
I was hungry.
You're hungry? Here's a knuckle sandwich. Boy, what did you do with my baby? Mom, you're too weak for me now. Oh, really? I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. Ah!
Get him.
Hey, what'd I tell you about playing my game? Don't you do it.
Mom!
What the hell's going on here?
Brother isn't letting me play.
What'd I tell you about sharing? Oh, that didn't hurt? Nope, I'm too grown for a whooping. You too grown? Okay. What are you doing?
Uh-oh.
He said he's too grown. Who'd you call? Okay, I'm sorry. I'll share.
It's too late. Finish him.
Bro, you suck. Teabag him. You suck. Enough of that language. There will be no teabagging in my house. Sorry.
Get shit on! Get shit on! Get shit on! Your ass! Shut the fuck up! 1v1 me, you pussy! Pussy! Fucking
Teacher!
What's wrong?
I think the world is ending.
Is this one of your silly pranks?
No, I'm being for real. The zombies are already here.
Let them come.
You're not scared?
No, because we have them.
Let's do this.
Oh,
My time to shine.
Oh, great heavens!
Happy birthday! Ready to find out your sweetheart?
What's a sweetheart?
It's your soulmate. It's who you're gonna love forever. Prince Licorice?
What's wrong?
Nothing, Lolly. We'll handle everything. Don't worry.
Please, can I meet him?
No, Lord Licorice is a very evil man, and I'm sure his son is no better. Exactly.
But he's my sweetheart.
Nope. The system must have made a mistake.
Well, hello, my dear.
Who are you?
You don't know who I am? You really don't get out much, do you?
My parents never let me leave the castle.
I see. Well, I'm actually a friend of your father's, and I've brought you a gift.
Is this taffy?
Why, yes.
This is my favorite.
Try it. Good, isn't it? What's the matter? Too sticky? Sorry, princess, but I can't have you alerting the guards. I'm going to bring you to meet my son. Son, look who I've brought you.
Is that?
King Candy's daughter. Yes, indeed.
Why are her hands tied?
She's very feisty, but I'm sure she's happy to see you.
Are you?
Oh, she can't talk. I gave her the sticky taffy.
Dad! There, now you're free. Drink this. It'll dissolve the taffy. It'll take a few seconds to work.
Thanks.
I'll give you two some alone time.
It's really nice to meet you, Lolly. My name is Prince Licorice, but you can call me Luke.
Well, I want to go home, Luke.
Please stay. I want to get to know you.
No, your dad creeps me out, and I don't think I can trust you guys.
Lolly, I'm not like my dad, I swear.
No, I want to go home, and that's an order.
Fine, as you wish. Listen, it's gonna be a long journey for you.
You're not gonna escort me back?
No way. My dad would freak.
So I have to walk through Candyland all alone? Forget it. I don't need you. I can handle myself.
Candyland is a very dangerous place, especially for a dainty princess like you.
I am not dainty.
Well, you sure are stubborn.
Goodbye, Luke.
Hey, we're supposed to be together. You're my sweetheart.
Well, having me kidnapped wasn't very sweet.
That wasn't my idea. Whatever. Just go. I don't even care anymore.
Ugh! What is this stuff? Chocolate swamp? Uh-oh. Oh, this stuff is like quicksand. What do I do? Wait, I think my lollipop still has a little bit of magic in it, so maybe I can turn this into hard chocolate instead. It's working.
What are you doing in my swamp?
I was just leaving, sir.
Hey!
What is this place?
Princess? Are you lost?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh no. Here, have some cotton candy.
Thank you. This is so good.
Glad you like it. How do you feel?
Good.
Perfect. You should spend the night here.
Okay.
The king is going to pay a lot of money to get you back. Here, have some more.
Let her go.
Prince Licorice, what are you doing here?
I'm saving her from you.
That's my sweetheart. Isn't he handsome?
Hand her over, or else... You think I'm handsome?
How could I not think you're handsome? Just look at how big your muscles are.
How much cotton candy did you have?
A lot.
I'm sorry, Prince Licorice. I didn't realize she was your sweetheart. Please don't tell your father I did this.
We won't have a problem as long as you let us leave. Let's go, Lolly.
Bye.
How you doing?
Better. I didn't realize that the cotton candy made you loopy. Listen, I'm sorry for getting mad at you. You really didn't do anything wrong.
Nah, you're good. I'm sorry too. So you think I have big muscles, huh?
Shut up.
We should start walking back. There she is! Seize him! Arrest him, now! Get off of me!
He didn't do anything wrong.
Get her to safety.
Luke! Mom, Dad, you have to let him go. He was an accomplice to your kidnapping.
Even though he's your sweetheart, he has to pay a price for that.
No, he was the one that rescued me.
What? He did?
Yes, I've been trying to tell you. He was the one who saved me from the Cotton Candy Fairy. Honey, we need to release him.
Lord Licorice took my daughter. I say we keep his son.
Dad, that isn't the way. She's right. You two need to make amends.
Thanks for getting me released.
Of course. It's the least I can do. I'm really happy our parents are getting along now.
I'm so glad too. I need to ask you something. Lolly, will you make me the happiest man in Candyland and marry me?
Yes. Everyone, we're engaged.
Aw, congrats, sweetheart.
Just look at that ring.
Congratulations. Lolly, I couldn't have asked for a better soulmate.
Me neither.